Hello all. So today in this video I'm going to show you the overview of Burp Suite, and later on in this video we will also be looking at the unique tabs of the Burp Suite. Okay, so Burp Suite is pre-installed in Kali Linux. So I'm going to use Kali Linux today for this video. So I already have the Burp Suite up and running, so this is the community version. So let me just give a small intro about Burp Suite. Burp Suite is a set of tools used for pen testing web applications. This software is developed by Portswigger, and this is a Java-based web pen test tool. So there are three versions of Burp Suite. The first one is the Enterprise, the second one is the Professional, and then the Community Edition. So the Enterprise and the Professional versions are paid ones, and the Community Edition is the free one. If you are able to afford for the Professional version, and if you're really interested in pen testing, I would recommend you guys to go for the Professional version. But if you're in the beginner stage or if you want to learn Burp Suite, Community Edition will do fine. So the first tab which we are going to see over here is the Proxy tab. This is the most often used tab in Burp Suite. So proxy is nothing but an interceptor. It helps to see and modify the request and response of a web application. The first subtab in proxy is the intercept. In this intercept, we have multiple options over here. So we have the forward, drop, intercept is on and intercept is off option, and then action and open browser. This open browser will not work for Community Edition. You need to upgrade for the Professional version. In this intercept tab, what you can do is you can toggle this on and off the intercept option, where it is used to intercept the request and response of a web application. So the second one, if you see over here, it's called the HTTP history. HTTP history keeps the record of all the intercepts that you do. So the third one is WebSockets. WebSockets are widely used in modern web applications. These are mainly used for communications between the browser and the server and the browser. So this is a vice versa process. So WebSocket history stores request index numbers, directions of message, URL of WebSocket connections or flags, and then length of response, and which is calculated in bytes, and then the communication in between the ports, etc. There are so many things in this WebSocket history. The second most important tab in Burp Suite is the Intruder tab. This Intruder tab changes Burp Suite into an attacking tool. So we can do a lot of attacks, like for example brute force attacks or payload attacks, etc. Like you can do a lot of attacks using this Intruder tool. So the third one is the repeater. So the main purpose of the repeater tool is it lets us send multiple requests to the web application. So you can send multiple requests to the web application, and in order to view the response, over here you have the response tab, where the response of each and every request is recorded over here. The next important tab is the decoder. So this decoder is used to convert, encode, and hash strings into multiple cryptographic formats. So the next tab that we are going to see is the comparer. So if you have two different datas and if you wanted to compare those datas, you can compare it over here in the comparer tab. These are the most importantly used tabs in Burp Suite. And now we come to the end of the overview of the tool. So later on in this video, I'm going to show you how to use proxy, intruder, repeater, and decoder tabs in Burp Suite.